Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications from the Clash of Clans game on your device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Clash of Clans game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into your home village. Now from here, if you wish to turn off notifications that you receive within your device from the game, then tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner. From here, tap on More Settings. And now you can see various different settings. Scroll down and you will now find the notification settings as well. From here you can choose each option and then tap on the button to set them off within your device. If you don't wish to receive any kind of notification, make sure that all of these are set to off. And you can also set up important notifications by leaving them out. And you can come back to this setting at any time in the future if you wish to re-enable your notifications. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off notifications on the Clash of Clans game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.